Art is reconstructing a whole new world within me, connecting with the entire fabric of my universe. For me, the ability to make beautiful art is the same ability as how to make peace with dualism. The ability to accept and use duality and polarity is the same ability to make everything in life beautiful. For me, both opposites of duality write their unique story to paint a perfect sky that connects us all with our differences. We are the masters of how our story in our life evolve. Negative and positive polarities can either dance with or attack one another, but they have always existed from the beginning of time. However, we can switch our negative polarity into a positive tool for transforming our true magical self. You are at peace with all the negativity within you. Therefore, you can also be at peace with your outer world negativity. You are the perfect fabric that you have been looking for all this time. You are the missing fabric of your universe and the whole cosmos with all the universe in it. Together, we can weave our perfect design of unconditional love. We are all weaved from the same fabric of the universe, by the one creator who loves us without any condition or limitation. Each of us weave our own unique pattern and texture into the whole fabric of the universe as souls and spirit. I want to connect with people's heart and soul through my creative expression and universal energy. Only when you heal, transform, and ascend can you hear yourself through the ears of the perfect unconditional love. Then, you can really change the way you hear others. So perhaps they will also change the way they hear you.